Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using this product, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at Paladin Wireless, found online at paladinwireless.com. This company offers a unique approach to wireless internet access, catering to those who need reliable connectivity in areas where traditional options fall short. Their services leverage existing cellular networks to provide a robust and consistent internet experience. Paladin Wireless focuses on delivering high-speed data plans specifically designed for rural communities, RVs, and remote work situations where consistent internet access is crucial. One of the key advantages Paladin Wireless boasts is its wide coverage area, utilizing multiple cellular carriers to ensure a strong signal wherever you go. They offer a variety of data plans to suit different needs and budgets, allowing customers to choose the option that best fits their usage patterns. Whether you need a high data plan for streaming or a more modest option for checking email and browsing, Paladin Wireless aims to have a plan that works for you. They highlight the simplicity of their setup process, emphasizing plug-and-play functionality to get you online quickly and easily. No complicated installations or technical expertise is required, making it a user-friendly solution for those less tech-savvy. Customer service is also a focal point for Paladin Wireless. They strive to provide excellent support to their subscribers, addressing any technical issues or questions promptly and efficiently. This commitment to customer satisfaction is crucial in the often complex world of wireless internet. By prioritizing customer support, Paladin Wireless seeks to build trust and loyalty with its user base. Further investigation reveals that Paladin Wireless offers a range of equipment options, including routers and antennas, to optimize the signal strength and overall performance of their service. This dedication to providing a complete solution underscores their commitment to providing reliable internet access. They understand that different environments require different equipment configurations, and they offer the flexibility to meet these varied needs. For individuals and businesses seeking a reliable internet connection in areas where traditional options are limited, Paladin Wireless presents a compelling solution. Their focus on rural connectivity, RV users, and remote workers highlights their understanding of the specific challenges faced by these demographics. By leveraging cellular networks and providing tailored data plans, they aim to bridge the digital divide and ensure everyone has access to the internet, regardless of location.